Hi, this is Ask Brock. I'm Brock Yorty. This week's question comes from Kirk. Brock, we just wrapped a very long project that had some major issues, and I had my youngest driller on it. How do I rebuild his confidence? Get him on to the next job. Tell him we got their back. Fix the issues. If it was Mother Nature that didn't cooperate with us, what did our drilling program look like? What could we have done to set up our people for success? If it was a catastrophic failure, what could we have done in our maintenance program to make sure those things were right? If it was the PG on site stood for pretty grumpy instead of professional geologists, which I know plenty, and I also know plenty good ones, then let's make sure we got good communication and we understand how to interact and have professional presence. And we start looking at these outlining factors, and then projects fall behind. And we know we only have 3 good months of the year left, and this project's behind, and this rig needs to be on another job. There's so many factors going on, the stakes. So think about this for our youngest, our novice drillers. All of that is on their back. And then they start second guessing what worked or what didn't work. And let's face it, we need our driller confidence. We need that ego that says, I can make that split second decision that made the outcome right for the success of that job. Then everybody, and that's our more experienced drillers, let's sit down around the table at the end of this project, maybe a couple other projects, and talk about after action review. What went well? What didn't go so well? What was expected to happen? What really happened? And then talk about solutions. And is it in the drilling program? Is it in the maintenance program? Is it our safety? What were the distractions on that job site? Was it away from home? We as leaders have to have all of our people's backs, but understand in development of starting as a novice driller to a competent, to a good, to a great driller takes, understanding we can have some failures, we can overcome them, and go from there. And finally, it's a great holiday weekend coming up. And by 10 a.m. Friday morning, everybody's going to be thinking about being on the boat, on the course, playing some softball, enjoying the last big hurrah of the summer. So let's give it to them. This is our working individuals' holiday, Labor Day. Let's celebrate it. Let's reset, recharge those batteries, and get back to work Tuesday morning and know that we can be successful. That's what it's going to take to rebuild his confidence or hers confidence. You having their back and understanding that whatever happens, we can get through it together. Not thinking if I was standing on the platform, none of this would have happened, because that doesn't help your business's growth. And we got to develop these drillers. Great question.